Hello everyone, my name is Danny Chavez and today I'm going to talk about Docusaurus version 2. Docusaurus allows us to create content from the creation of document that then we can use it like HTML format and display all this kind of information on the website. For that I already created a tutorial which is on README file, and the tutorial begins addressing every aspect that we need to create our work environment in our computer, which is as you can see right here. And then we are going to move on to the installation process, how to deploy our application, which is basically after finish up the installation. And then we are going to talk about how to analyze the structure, what kind of information is stored every folder right here, how to customize our website, what about the index, which is basically all the information that we are going to show on the main page is right here, is controlled about the index. And then we are going to talk about what kind of color we can use in order to provide different color for any kind of image, like for example, navbar, banners, image, etc., etc. And we are two main parts are the navigation bar in the footer, which is what kind of information that we can provide right here, how to organize our document, which is going to be very important in order to create, like for example, when the user click on the document, we are going to show all this information we already created right here. And then we are talking about how to control the version of project and going to move to update, how to create blog in our Docusaurus, which as you can see. And lastly, we are going to talk about how to pass it from the local to the world in order to create a github page. As you can see right here, every step is followed up with a screenshot is going in where you can see how the process going on. And you want to try it, check it out this repository. I'm going to leave all this information, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys.